We should prepare our buy trade here. Set the stop loss at the 200 EMA line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable. Hey traders, in this video, I'm going to reveal the high win rate and very profitable trading strategy. This strategy works with any kind of market, such as forex, stocks, cryptocurrency. This strategy is easy to use, so anyone can learn to trade with this strategy. Please watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make by using this strategy. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the HalfTrend YouTube channel so you don't miss out the new strategies from HalfTrend. In this strategy, we will need 2 technical indicators. The first indicator is moving average exponential, or EMA with the length of 200. The second indicator is half trend with custom settings. Now I will show you how to add the indicators in TradingView. In the upper side of your chart, click Indicators. Then a new window will appear from your chart. In the search field, type the indicator you want to add. Our first indicator is moving average exponential, or EMA. You can find this indicator by typing moving average exponential. Then click to add this indicator into your chart. For this indicator, we will use custom settings. Set the length into 200, then click OK. Our second indicator is half trend. Search it by typing half trend but without space. Then click to add this indicator into your chart. For this indicator, we will use custom settings. First, change the amplitude into 6. After that, uncheck the Show Channels checkbox. This is how our chart looks like after setting up all the indicators. If you missed something, please go back to the Indicators section in the description. As you can see, our chart now has 2 indicators. The red and blue lines here are our half-trend indicator. This indicator works as our main entry signal. The usage of this indicator is simple. When blue arrow appears, that means the price will go up. In opposite, when red arrow appears, that means the price will go down. But we are not going to use this indicator alone. Because of that, we will use the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, with the length of 200. You can see this indicator as a blue line in this chart. This indicator will filter us from bad trades, which I will explain later in this video. Because of that, please watch this video until the end to understand this high win rate strategy. As we can see in our chart, now we have all the indicators needed. Let's get into our first buy trade example. Our buy conditions are simple. First, a blue arrow must appear from half trend. Second, the price must higher than 200 EMA. Let me show you the first trade. As we can see in our screen, a blue arrow just appeared from the half trend. And then the price is above the 200 EMA line. We should prepare our buy trade here. Set the stop loss at the 200 EMA line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable. As you can see here, the strategy makes profit for the first time. But this trade is not enough to test this strategy. Because of that, this video will show you more trades. Please watch this video until the end to see the profits from this strategy. Enough with that. Let's get into our next buy trade. This time we have our second buy trade entry. As we can see in our screen, a blue arrow just appeared from the half trend. And then the price is above the 200 EMA line. It's our time to enter a long trade again. Set your stop loss at the 200 EMA line. Then set take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade turned out to be profitable. What an amazing strategy! This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. First, a red arrow must appear from half trend. Second, the price must lower than 200 EMA. This will be our first short trade. As we can see in our screen, a red arrow just appeared from the half trend. And then the price is lower than the 200 EMA line. We should prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss at the 200 EMA line. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. But this trade alone is not enough. We have one more trade to make sure this strategy is very profitable. Let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short entry here. As we can see, a red arrow just appeared from the half trend. And then the price is lower than the 200 EMA line. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss at the 200 EMA line and set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. What a great strategy! We've just learned about a very high win rate trading strategy. However, traders should not trust these results alone. That's because this strategy only tested with a limited amount of trades. Before proceed to live trading, it is a good idea to test the strategy with historical market data. Testing the strategy usually needs around 100 trades until completed. In the testing phase, tweak the strategy parameters and the settings until you come with the best results. After testing is done, make sure the strategy is profitable. If the strategy is decent enough, traders can move on to paper trading. Paper trading is a trading simulation where traders can practice buying and selling without risking any real money. If they win a trade, they don't make any money. But if they lose, they don't lose any money. There's a lot to talk about trading strategies and how to optimize them. If you're interested for more strategies, please subscribe to the HalfTrend YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next video and thanks for watching.